So, in this lesson, we will learn about extend method. In our previous lesson, we use plus operator to combine two lists. We can do it with extend method too. But extend method, how it works? We just add second list at the end of the first one. So let's do it. For example, what's my first list? Odd numbers, and then I use extend method. Inside the extend method, I write my second list. What's my variable? Even numbers. And then if I print odd numbers, so I right click and run it, you see I added second list at the end of the first one. This is another method for combining two lists. Super. See you in the next lesson.